In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge Google Calendars in this comprehensive 2025 guide. Whether you're managing multiple calendars for work, personal events, or different projects, merging them can help streamline your schedule and improve your productivity. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, we need to access Google Calendar, so head over to the website. Once you're there, look for the gear icon located in the top right corner. That's your settings menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down list select Settings. This will take you to a new page that contains all your calendar settings options. Next, once you're in the settings page, focus your attention on the menu located on the left hand side. You'll find an option called Import and Export. Go ahead and click on that. This section is where you'll initiate the process of exporting your existing calendar events. Under the Export section, you'll see a button labeled Export. Clicking this will download a zip file directly onto your computer. This file will contain individual ICS files for each of your calendars that currently exist. These ICS files are essential as they hold all the event details you'll need to merge. After downloading, navigate to the location on your computer where the zip file was saved. Open the zip file and proceed to extract the individual ICS files contained within. Each one of these ICS files corresponds to a different calendar you want to merge, so it's crucial to keep them handy. Now it's time to move on to the second calendar you wish to merge everything into. Again, you'll need to click on the gear icon and select Settings. When the settings page loads, choose Import and Export from the left-hand menu as you did previously. In the Import section, you'll find an option that says Select File from your computer. Go ahead and click on this, then navigate to where you previously extracted the ICS files. Choose the first ICS file you wish to import into this second calendar. Once you've selected the file, look for the Add to Calendar drop-down. Here, it's essential to choose the calendar where you want to merge all these events. Select the appropriate calendar to ensure all your events consolidate accurately. After making your selection, click on the Import button. This action will add events from your chosen ICS file into the specified calendar. However, remember that if you have multiple ICS files, you'll need to repeat this import process for each one to get a fully merged calendar. Once you've imported all the files, you'll find that all your events from the various calendars are now combined into a single one. This means you now have a fully merged calendar, allowing you to view all your commitments and events in one convenient place. This simple process can save you a lot of time and hassle, making it that much easier to stay organized and on top of all your responsibilities.